Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I've got a very exciting unboxing to share with you guys. I've got a new Hermes bag from my birthday trip to Macau. I honestly couldn't believe I'm able to get it in the store. If you guys are interested in this kind of video, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel. Without further ado, let's get started. I've got a huge shopping bag from Hermes. So this time I didn't get this bag online, I got it directly from the store. Inside this huge orange shopping bag, of course, we've got, ta-da, this lovely orange box. Can you guys guess what it is? This is the bag that I've always wanted to get for so long, and I'm finally managed to get it in the store. Let's open it up together. Inside the box, we've got a dust bag. Of course, inside this bag, we've got a bag. The classic dust bag. Ta-da! This is the bag that I always wanted for such a long time. This is the Hermes Evelyn in size 29 in the color Etoupe. Look how perfect it is. So this is the front of the bag, and then the side of the bag, and then the back of the bag. I'd like to share a very interesting story about this bag. So do you guys know that this is actually the back of the bag? This is not the front of the bag. In fact, this is the front of the bag. I'm not sure why, but I've seen so many videos saying that this is actually the front of the bag. The side of the logo on is actually the back of the bag. So it is quite interesting. So as you can see, this bag is quite huge, which means that you can fit a lot of items inside. Let's open it up. So inside actually, we've got another dust bag. On the inside, it is unlined. As you can see, you can actually fit a lot of items inside. You can fit a water bottle and even an umbrella inside, and there won't be any problem at all. And then on the back, there is a compartment as well. If you're wondering what it is, let's have a look. This is the stripe for the bag. Although it is adjustable, actually the stripe is pretty long. I'm gonna try it on for you guys so you can see how it looks on me. I've already put the strap on. I'm gonna wear it crossbody now, and you guys can see how it sits on me. So this is quite massive. As you can see, if I'm wearing it as a crossbody bag, it sits quite comfortably. I'm 5'7", just for reference. If I'm going to wear it as a shoulder bag, it will be like this. So as you can see, this bag is huge. That's why I'm planning to use it for work. If you have been following me for a while, you will know that I actually really enjoy using big bag. This is definitely the bag that I'm going to reach for all the time. In terms of the weight, actually it is quite light considering the amount of leather this bag has. And it's made of canvas strap as well, and it is quite thick. So I would say it's going to be very comfortable to use. So maybe I'm going to talk a little bit about how I get this bag in the store. In case you're not very familiar with Macau, Macau is actually very famous for a casino, and it is divided into two parts. Of course, one part is called Macau, and another part is called Taipa. I first got to Macau at around 11 o'clock, and then I first went to the Hermes store on the Macau side. Not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting to get any bag during the trip. I would just try my luck, and I would just like to get in and see if there are any bags available in the store. I really wasn't expecting I would be able to get anything from the store at all. I got in the store at around 12 o'clock. The salesperson greeted me and then asked me what I was looking for, and I just told her I was looking for bags. I just wonder what bags are available at the time. And then when I arrived at the bag sections, there are a lot of bags. Of course, not all of them are available for you to buy, but there are definitely some of them are available for you to buy. So this is one of them. And then next to this bag, there is a green Pinkerton. I believe it is size 22 that are available for you to buy. And then next to this, and also there is a garden party size 36 in the color gold that is also available to buy in the store. I honestly couldn't believe it, because every single time when I went to the Hermes store, literally none of the bags will be available. This is the first time actually I've seen you can purchase garden party in the store directly, which was quite surprising, because actually I really like garden party as well, but I would say this is definitely on top of my list. So actually at the time I can also get the garden party size 36 in the color gold as well. But of course I've chosen this bag because I really want to get this bag. This is the exact colorway, exact size that I want. This is the size 29, and then the color Etoupe, because I've always wanted to get an Etoupe color because I really enjoy wearing neutrals. This will be a perfect bag for me. I just ordered a bag organizer. After I received it, I will definitely start using this bag. Do you guys love the Evelyn bag? Do let me know in the comment section down below. I will definitely be doing a review of this bag later on my channel after I've used it for quite some time. If you have any question about this bag, please leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I've also forgot to mention the price of this bag because it is now 2024, so the price definitely gone up a little bit. I got this bag last week in January 2024 for around 32,400 Hong Kong dollars. That's about it. If you guys enjoy watching this video, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and also comment down below if you have any video suggestions. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye!